this is a IPCS documents. Okay, check once.
Okay, sir.
Like what is strings? This is strings types and operators, orders, len, and programmings uppercase, lowercase. This one questions, and this one string slicing.
Stem
Okay,
slicing.
okay, this one enough. But I am follow this one. Reason is this one is separate topic. Slicing string, modify string, concatenations, format string, escape characters, string methods, string exercise.
Strings.
Okay, separate. I just it. Okay, so this one follow, and other one is documents follow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, okay. Start string, Python string. Okay, string in a Python surrounded by the other single quotes make a double quotes makes. This is a single quotes, single quotes in the same as double quotes. Okay,
Double quotes.
yes, single and double quotes and triple quotes, something the same. And you can display a string letters with the prints functions. This is a print functions use, and this is a prints. This one is hello and hello, both are same, and print this.
String.
Okay, hello, and check once which type of data using type functions.
String.
Okay, using type functions use. Okay, this is string types of data. Single quotes and double quotes are same. Okay, both are same. Single quotes and double quotes. And assign string of variables to a variables. Okay, assigning a string of variables done with the variables name of forward by equal singles and the strings. This is okay. This is second type of defines. Once we string defines in the variable save the data. This is a container's name, variable's name. Assign the value. Value means string types, and print a. Print a means this string is printed. Okay, this is hello world, and output is hello. Okay,
Hello.
okay. Multi-line string means okay, you can assign a multiple string to a variables by assigning the three quotes, triple quotes. Three quotes means double, triple quotes. Okay, double, triple quotes. Okay, this is a string, multi-line string. Okay, not confuse a multi-line string and multi-line comments. Okay, I am clear. Both are.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a string. Okay, using a double, triple quotes, starting points and ending points. Okay, then remove one code. Starting is three code, but ending is a two codes. Then error.
Error.
Yes,
Error.
error is so. Error name is level handle dollars manage the lines print a. Okay, line number 6. Line number 6 means this level 6. Okay, and triple code is assigns then run. Okay, this one is string. What type of data? Using ty type functions use. This is
String.
okay. This is string type. Okay, string type. But one more confusion. This one. I'm sorry. This one is a multi-line string, but assign the variables a. Okay, this is a string types, but remove the variables. Okay, remove the variables name. This is a comment parts. Okay.
Comment.
Okay, multi-line comments, but assign the value. This is a string types.
String.
Okay, and print the data, and suppose that hello. This is a comments lines, all comments lines. Only hello world is hello is print. Okay, this is a hello is print.
Okay, sir.
This part is not run. Reason is this is a multi-line comments, but value is save as a variables and containers. This is a string types of
String
data.
type.
Okay, noted point.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
And on three single triple quotes, double triple quotes and single triple quotes are
Single.
same. Okay, same. Okay, starting is 3 and ending is same. Starting is double triple quotes and ending is double triple quotes. Okay, same as double and triple quotes. Single are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, string is a Python's R array or bytes representing a unique characters. Unique characters are used, and where Python does not have a characters data types, a single character is a simply a string with a length of a 1. Square bracket are used, can be used to access the elements automatically. This is a1. This is string's name. Okay, assign the value and the print a, and this is a indexing number. Indexing number get the character as a patterns 1, and automatic value is get, okay, e. E is reason is 1 minute. Reason is 1. Okay, this is 0 index. First is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, indexing numbers. This is indexing numbers. Suppose that hello, okay, and value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is indexing number follow.
Yeah.
H1 is a 0, E1 1, L2 3, 4. Okay, this is a indexing number, and forward directions, opposite is a forward direction, -1, okay, -2, -3, -4. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, sir.
okay, and looping. Okay, then length string is completed, checking statements. Okay, this is completed. Then looping through a string. Okay, looping through letters by the word of banana. Banana means, by looping means using a for loop. Okay, get the data and using a for loop, and data one by one get. One is b, a, n. Is it try yourself? String is a data. Okay, banana one by one data is saved, and 2 3 types is defined. This are 4 string types, using for loop. Suppose that a is equal to banana. Okay, this is string types of data, and get the data using a for loop. For loop means assign the value, this container's name and variable's name, pass, okay, the data, then using one by one data get. Okay, 2 3 types of define. And second types is using a len functions. Next topic is len function, but define using len. Okay, this one is a pass, length of value. Okay, this one is, this one is error. Reason is len function are using a range functions, range of a, range len is okay, one by, this is indexing number pass 0 1 2 3 and
2, 3, 4.
4 4 5 using a range and len functions.
Yeah.
Okay, len convert a string is a number type. Okay, len. Okay, next further topic is a for loop and range function, so I am deeply described. Okay,
Okay, sir.
string length, string, to get a length of a string using the len functions. Okay, len functions means the len functions to return a length of a string. Okay, already described. Okay, this one is 13. Okay, using a len functions, this off topic, but using for loop, this one get the data for I in range of len under this path. Okay, length of a string. And check a string, to check if creating a fresher the character of present of a string, we can use the keyword in means check if the created phrase. Okay, this one is string names, and check print free in the test, and return is only true and false. Okay, return is true, reason is free is this one. Okay, this is not in a free, and change the data. Suppose that this one is removed and output is false. Okay, false. And second one, data is same, but this is capital letter. Suppose that this is a capital letter, but check is a small letters, then false. Okay, false. And using it in a if statement, using a if conditions, check the data one by one. Okay, this is a string's name. Okay, and save the data the txt, any variable's name, not txt. And if free text, then print as free is presents. Okay, then try this. Okay, yes is this one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, the best thing is this one is Yes, this one is check.
Yes.
Then free is this one. Okay, then condition is true. Okay, then print the data under this word. Okay, condition is false, then not return this. Suppose that change the data. This one, this is condition is false, then not print the data. Okay, not print the data. Okay, blank. Reason is condition is false. If condition
False.
yes, if condition is false, this under this part not run. Using a this one, and check if not. Check to check a creation of phrases or character is not a present of a string. You can keyword is a not in. Not in means this is sign of not in. Okay, using the not in. This is true. Okay, this one is not in a this one is string, and change the data. Suppose that life. Okay, this is false. Reason is this is not in means not in a string but present in a string. Okay, this is a false. Reverse, just opposite reverse, using a not, but this one is removed, then true. Okay, this is false. Life is not in text. This is a false. Hello.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Okay, use it in if statements. Okay, this is if expressive is not present. Okay, this one is not present this data, and using if this is condition is true, then this is return. This condition is false, then not return. Just opposite. Okay, no express is not in a present is the this is this one. Okay. Okay, any confusion this string?
No, sir.
Once we check a string, this one, once we check, okay, assigning a string variables, multiple line strings. This one is multi lines, and strings are array. This one is x is the indexing numbers, looping through a for loop, and string length. Length means using a len functions, and checking string means 2-3 types of check by using a in and using a if conditions. Okay, and check if not, just opposite. This is a check is a not is a present is a follow of the list. This one is first type and this is second type. Okay, if conditions. Okay, write down. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one by one and practice.